Not a fan of Tinda? You might just change your mind today. Coming up next, Tinde ki sabzi. Take some gram flour or besan and dry roast in a pan. Roast until it turns aromatic. Once done, keep it aside and let it cool. Now prepare the vegetable. Wash and slit each piece carefully. Make a cross slit without cutting all the way through. Moving on to the spice mix for the stuffing. Beginning with salt as per taste, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, dried pomegranate powder or anardana powder. Now add the roasted besan, some curd and a little mustard oil. Make a smooth paste. Now stuff this mixture into the slits we made. Even if some stuffing comes out, that's perfectly fine. Arrange them in a steamer. Steam them for about 8 to 10 minutes. You can also use a pressure cooker for steaming. Meanwhile, let's prepare the gravy. Heat some mustard oil. Add cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Let them splutter. Now add chopped fresh garlic, chopped onions and a little salt. Saute until the onions turn golden brown. Next goes in tomato puree. Mix everything. Now add ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. Now add the spices. First salt, followed by red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and cumin powder. Mix everything. Add a little water. Lower the flame and let the masala cook until well done. Now add lightly crushed kasuri methi. You can dry roast it slightly before adding for better flavor. Some cream to make the gravy rich. You can also use homemade malai. Let's check tinda. Insert a knife or the back of a spoon to see if they are cooked. If it goes in easily, they are ready. Now gently add them to the simmering gravy. Let them cook together for a couple of minutes so the flavors combine well. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. This sabzi will win over even the fussiest eaters in the family. Do give it a try. Till then, eat well, live well and stay blessed.